For what? Punch me. Punch me then. You gonna punch me? Punch me. Okay? And what?
On July 13th, 2025, officers with the Joliet Police Department responded to a disturbance call involving a woman refusing to leave the property. When officers made contact with the suspect, she reportedly ignored repeated commands to leave the premises. As an officer attempted to escort her out, the situation quickly escalated when she slapped the officer's hand away and began resisting efforts to place her into custody.
Go! You gotta go! Tell her to get out. Let's go! Get out! Get out!
Hey,
out.
hold on.
I understand, but you gotta go. Go! 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 Go!
Don't touch me. I don't need you to touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Why? Why for? Why? Why? For what? For what? For what? Why? You're weird.
31 and 30.
For what? Thank you. Thanks. Could you let me go?
No.
No. I don't. Oh. You don't have to do it. You hurt my arm.
Good.
You was great. Y'all got that pedophile in here. Y'all talking about like what the fuck? He ain't such an old girl in here. Y'all weird. That's okay. I don't care. Excuse me. You don't have to do that. For what? For what?
Come on.
For what? For what? What are you arresting me for? For what?
Put your hands behind her back.
For what? What are you arresting me for? For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
31.
For what? What is y'all under arresting me for?
I got it.
I'm dead. What is y'all arresting me for?
Ag battery to PO.
Aggravated already. Oh, Lord, I'm taking
Will
it
you
to
stop
court.
restraining?
I'm taking it to court.
You're getting resisting too, so good job.
I'm taking it to
Let me
court.
see your hand. What the? Yeah.
Here, thank you. I'm taking it to court. I don't care about that. I'm taking it to court. Are you crazy?
31. More time for it. Okay.
Lord.
I got it.
Y'all is crazy.
Come on.
Y'all is crazy.
I'm on the right.
Y'all is weird. Y'all is weird. What's y'all taking me to jail for? For what?
Stop it.
That's for what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what, bitch? For what?
Will you stop?
For what?
I'm gonna tombstone and slam you. Stop.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. This I pressing charges on you.
Hold on.
Oh, aggravated ass police officers
Is it
want to
open?
beat black people up. So that's what y'all want to do. Y'all want to beat black people up. Y'all arrest me for no reason.
Sit back.
Where my phone at?
I have it. Sit
Don't
back.
stop grabbing me.
Sit back. Sit back.
Where my phone at?
I have it. Sit
Don't
back.
stop grabbing me.
Sit back.
Stop grabbing me.
You kick me, I'm gonna punch you.
Bitch, punch me then. Punch me. Punch me then.
You're good. You're not
Because you gonna punch me. Bitch, punch me. Punch me then. You gonna punch me. Punch me. Okay? And what? Punch me then. Punch me.
Would you stop?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Move out the way.
Punch me. Punch me. Ah! Ah!
Watch out.
Stop grabbing me.
You kick me, I'm gonna punch you.
Bitch, punch me then. Punch me. Punch me then.
Okay, you're not
Because
being
you gonna punch me. Bitch, punch me. Punch me then. You gonna punch me. Punch me. Bitch. Okay? And what?
I'll grab her back.
Punch me.
Will you stop?
1, 2, 3. Move out the way.
Touch me! Touch me! Ah! Ah!
Watch out.
The suspect was taken into custody and transported to the Will County Jail following the incident. According to police, she was charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer, resisting arrest, and criminal trespass to property. Authorities say the officers involved did not suffer serious injuries, despite the physical struggle during the arrest. This incident highlights how quickly a routine call can escalate when individuals refuse lawful commands, turning a simple removal from a business into a situation involving multiple charges.